Okay, now we are going to go over the basics of CapCut or video editing. And the first thing you'll do is to have a CapCut application downloaded from Play Store or Modiolo to have the premium app. At this point, I'm going to locate my CapCut application since I have it already on my phone. So I'm going to my application tray. This is my application tray, and I'm going to browse to my CapCut. This is my CapCut, the scissor icon on a screen. This is my CapCut. So I'm going to tap on it to open. So it's loaded. I have some projects here, but yours may not have this portion of project. So this is it. If you go up, you see the features, the video editor, the text to image, which you can type your text, and the AI, that's artificial intelligence, will generate images of them. Then you have the auto capcut, you have the product photo, and you can expand on the tray. You have AI posture, is still an artificial intelligence flyer maker, where you can now type what you want and it will generate a graphic design of it. That AI model, you can make people to make AI models, either to advertise a product or so. The camera, the retouch, that is picture retouch app. You have the caption, auto caption, and this is when you can get a video and now type everything that the person is saying on the video, and the application will help you place those words where it belongs. You can put a video and the application will get what the person is saying, change it to text messages, and bring it up at the point the person is saying it. So as the person is speaking, the text messages will be coming up on the screen like the subtitles. Okay, we have the telepromoter. Like this helps you to record a video while reading on your screen. It makes a very smooth video. Like if you are to make a video to teach, like I am doing now, though what I'm doing is real time, that's why you may have some bridges or mistakes because they are not edited. I'm not reading from anything. I'm teaching you directly from what I know. So I'm churning out skills I have. I'm not actually reading from anything. Okay, then we have the background remover for your image editing. You have the image enhancer, special effects for your image. So all these are basic features of the CapCut, which I want you personally to tap into them and play around. But what we are going to go to as concerns this class is the project, the video project, so that you see the CapCut or video and editing environment. So we have to tap on new projects here. First of all, let me show you the basics on the setting. This is the setting button. Let us tap it. Okay, when we tap the basic, the language is on English, the add default ending. Okay, if it is on, that is why after some videos you find on social media handles like TikTok or WhatsApp, you see at the end of the video, you see CapCut at the end of the video. But please, as you open, come to this setting and close this add default ending, so that the CapCut ending you used to see on the video will not be on your videos when exporting, which is not professional. So you close this, and the other ones are not important. That's why this is the main reason why we came here. If you did not do that, then at the end of your video, instead of having only the product or logo, or ending or outro video. Instead of only the outro video, you also have a CapCut watermark, so that it will be known that you use CapCut for it. So you can end this. It's not for professional video because they are not advertising CapCut here. Okay, so we now come to the new project. On the new project, what you have here, you have to add a video first. Want to add a video first, and I'm going to, let me look for a video here and add. You can add any video. You can add any video to it, and I think this is one of the videos. Let me add the 20 seconds videos. Okay, this is one of the videos I recorded recently of a borehole project. So I'll click on add, and it's loading, and it has now opened it on the CapCut environment. So you see the export resolution is here, which is 1080, because why is actually so? I recorded the video at 2K plus 4K, so the thing is automatically putting it here. So I'm going to go by what they are saying. Okay, so let it be there. I'm going to close this. I tap here to close it. Then we now come to the video, and basically you see this line. This line is what we call the cursor. This is the cursor line. This cursor line is what I meant. If you read through the notes, if you took notes of what we put on the group, this is what we call the cursor line. It actually shows you where things really are, on real time. So now, and this is your timeline. The whole of this line you have video is timeline for videos, while the down part is for audio. This down part is for audio. So if you want to add a video here, you are going to tap on the plus, say add ending. At any point, if you tap this, it's to add a video. That is, if you tap this plus, is to add a video. But if you tap on this line, if you tap on this line, you say that's the down part, which is this place. If you tap on here, it's going to take you to sound. That is to add sound. These are all sounds. This one are sound effects. This is a beat, and you can download any of them. When it downloads, it will play for you to. So this is it. If you press on add plus, you see it brings it here. You can tap it, then you now hold it, as in you tap and hold and drag it to the middle of the video. Then if you come here and play, you see it has added the sound to the video. The video did not have a sound, so it's just that sound was added now. So that's how to add sound. If it is a video that had a sound, you can click on the video, and if you don't need the sound, when you click on the video, you come to mute, come to volume here. This is volume here. You now tap on volume and reduce it to 0. If you do that and click tap, the whole video stop. The whole sound you have on the video will go, so that it's only the video you put here, or it's only the sound that you now put here on the sound timeline. This is the video timeline. Remember, we say this line you are having the visuals. The video is the video timeline, which immediately under it, the same line is the audio timeline. That's why you are seeing this equalizer. This equalizer here. Then the way to do it, if you want to really expand, if you want to expand the timeline, you can click and expand. That is, draw your hand from middle to outside. It will expand. It will expand. meaning that at that point you can create. That's why we say if your adjustments, the more accurate your adjustment is, that is the perfection of your video. After all, if you now want to shorten to compress it, you hold from both sides and draw your fingers to the middle, then it will shorten how the video displays on the timeline. Okay, this time is when you are done with editing, because if you do this kind of a thing, you will not have a very nice editing. Your videos and elements will not align properly. So for you to add elements, always expand it as much as you can, so that things can be very smooth. Okay, so these are the basics of the CapCuts. These are the basics of the CapCuts. Okay, it seems the application is hanging, and I bid to stop here.